Shopify sends a theme customization. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to log into your Shopify account. Now scroll down and look for online store. Under online store, you will see here themes, and usually the current or the basic theme here is done. So in order for you to change this into Sense a theme, you have to scroll down and then look for Sense here by Shopify. So to add, all you have to do is to click this add button and then you will see it up here. You have to wait for a couple of seconds till you see this one and then click publish, tap publish again. Wait for a couple of seconds again till you see this one right here and it's ready to customize now. So tap this customize button here and it will take you directly to this page where you can change everything here. You can modify and add something on your Sense Shopify. Okay, so we have here the header, templates, and the footer. Okay, so feel free to change. Okay, feel free to add block here if you want. So here are some features, but let's focus first on the gear icon. So if you tap the gear icon here, you will see logo, colors, typography, layout, animations, and so on. So if you want to, change this template right here, what you want to do is just simply go to the right side. As you can see, there is and select image here. You can add an image of your product right here. For example, this one and then click done. So remember that this is the picture or the image that you want your customers to see or view once they visit your Shopify store. So in order to change the height of your image here, you can click this adapt to image, which is basically, or I highly suggest to choose this one, small, medium, and large. Okay, so yes, we can click this adapt to image because this one is better. So the set image width, you can choose from small, medium, and large. And for me, I think it's better to choose medium here. Desktop image placement, image first, image second, everything is up to you, but let me pick this image first right here. Desktop content position, so top, middle, bottom. Okay, so let me tap bottom this time because I think this one is way better. Okay, so desktop content alignment, left corner or right, a center or right, everything is up to you. So let's go on to this color scheme right here. So actually, before that, if you want to add some focal points on your image, all you have to do is click edit and then click save, then you will see the changes right here. So if you scroll down right here, you can see different options and features. And let's just say for this mobile layout, you can choose between, or you can choose left, center, and right. For section padding, you can decrease, you can increase the twine, and so on. So you just have to simply click save so that the changes will be saved automatically. Don't forget that one. Okay, so yeah, that's how you change or modify settings there. If you want to add text here or change the text, all you have to do is to click this template and then image with text, and then go to the right side and then change the text or font here. Change the size, small, medium, or large, but for me, I prefer medium here. As you can see, if you tap the shop now, it will take you directly to your products where they can shop. Okay, so let me exit this part and go back to our Sense a Shopify theme. Okay, so yes, after you change this one, you can still delete or add another words or text type if you wanted to. So going back, if you want to change the color or the color scheme, rather, you can just simply create or make your own color scheme. For example, for the background, you like this color right here. Okay, you just have to select the best color for your uh background if you want. For the text, you can change the text here. For the sold button background, you can change that one to this color. And actually, you can probably see the changes once I tap this color right here. Okay, so when I go back to color scheme, I can select the color that I have created earlier, which is this one. You can still pick the color scheme that are provided or given. Okay, so that's how you create your own color scheme or select a color scheme here. Okay, so yeah, feel free to change it. Feel free to pick the color that matches to your product, matches to your page, or matches to your theme. So that's it. Now, below here we have color scheme too. So you can also change the background here. You can change the text. You can change the sold background here, and so on. So you can see the result after. But actually, while doing this, you can see some changes beside it. Okay, so that's basically how you change color scheme here. But do not forget to tap save so that all the changes will be saved automatically once you tap save here. Okay, so that's it. Now, it's really important to select the correct or the proper scheme for your product or for your page. It's because the colors also are indeed enticing, and it somehow help you to get more customers, especially if the color of your background here or the color of your theme on your store is captivating or enticing. So people love to explore on your page, explore on your Shopify store. This is the advantage of picking the correct or right color for your Shopify store. Okay, and thanks to this Sense Shopify theme, you can simply change everything here. Okay, so same with the featured products. If you want to change the color scheme, all you have to do is to tap this one and then go to the right side, look for the scheme, color scheme, and then create your own scheme by tapping edit, or you can just simply select from any of the choices right here. Okay, so yeah, also with the footer, if you want to change the color scheme of the footer, it's the same thing. You just have to tap this one, go to the right side till you see this color scheme, and then change the color scheme here or create your key. And do not forget to tap save. Okay, so change the background, change the text, change the email button here. Everything is up to you. Okay, so yeah, that's how you change your color scheme here on your Sense a Shopify theme. So if you have found the perfect color scheme for you, you can always change it, or you can feel free to change it later if you want. But do not forget to tap save. And then once you're done with this and you see that there is still missing button or missing feature on your Shopify store, you can just simply go to the left side and then click this add announcement here. If you want to add more announcement, if you want to change the announcement, you can tap this one and then change the text here. Let's just say welcome to our store and then the name of your store. Also, for the template, if you want to add block, you can tap add block and then add something like custom liquid if you want to. You can tap this one and then paste that code right here on the right side and then tap save. Same thing with the footer. If you want to add section or if you want to add block, all you have to do is to click and then add something. Okay, so apart from that, you can also add your logo if you want to. You just have to go to the gear icon, tap logo, and then add an image here. And then you can add. And apart from that, you can also add something here. Colors, layouts, animation. You just have to go to the left side and you will see here the features that will make your Send Shopify look better. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Don't forget to save. And then you can view this once you open your view button or once you open your online store. Okay, so that's it. This is just a very basic tutorial on how to change something on your Shopify Sense theme. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.